Alright, tonight guys, I'm going to do a nighttime reset. Kitchen is, we just had dinner. I know I have to clean the kitchen. I have some PR packages that I want to show you guys. So excited. Baby girl, hard work paying off. Yeah, I have some PR package. I wanted to show you guys when I finish what the dish is, but I'm too excited. So I got a package from Just for Kira. That's their website. These are contact lenses, guys. Contact lenses, different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are some holders. So well packaged and nice. These are not open. I just opened the box to see. So much, really? Look on the amount of toys so much having at the middle of the night. Shh. So this is one. Their packaging is really cute. I am going to be testing these out, wearing them, see what it is given. Let me see what color is this. Yeah, if it will focus. That's the color. Neela brown. She's trying to focus. So the colors are placed on the labeling right there, but we'll give you guys more clips on that. And I also got a wig. I'll show you guys that soon though, but let me just clean up what's going on here and we'll talk. Let me get to work. This is the steam. How much one looks there? Huh? Not you. My camera lens took away. So we're having fried dumpling, plantain porridge, and fried fish.
Take some time just to get thankful that I had days full of you before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
We need to start buy stuff in a Nike, you know, Richie. We need to start buying Nike clothes. They're strong, no? Yeah. How does it feel? It feels nice? It's not squeezy? It's feeling too, Richie. Feeling too. You feel like you should get the 12?
Yeah, get the 12.
Because you're not going to have long in this.
It's a toe this? Is this a toe? Is it squeezing it? Huh? Huh? Left ear? Okay.
So she remember that, you know, Uncle?
Yeah, so you remember the picture, right?
So you're gonna get your first Nike from Uncle.
Remember? So by the picture, I'll take it away. Okay?
They don't have restroom in there, so you should have what the kids them use. Come.
Mommy,
You don't like it?
But this is Spinosaurus, but it's big. Mike, can I get this?
For Christmas? What about that one? No, when I'm buying your Christmas gift, you're not gonna be here. I'm gonna buy it. You're not gonna know what's in the wrapper.
Oh,
So
I wonder what you're gonna give me.
why it has to be dinosaurs? Don't you? You don't have enough? You wanna change
I
it?
can actually play. Look.
Oh, it's a music thing. It's a music phone.
Mommy, yeah. Mommy, look.
Those are our dinosaurs.
Mommy, I want this on Christmas when I
Look
wear.
at this one.
Oh,
You know him? Remember him? From Jurassic World?
yeah.
Jurassic World.
Bumpy.
And
Ben. Bumpy. Mommy, remember I want this. I want this on
Why?
my birthday.
I don't know about that.
Look, from Jurassic World. Mommy, can I get this for my birthday?
I don't know.
Jurassic World.
Is Jurassic World too?
Yeah.
You like fire?
Yeah. I'm going to have a fireplace.
But I don't know about that. Do you have money? I don't have any money to purchase any more toys. You have a lot of toys. Daddy said no more toys.
We only got 20 money.
But you have a lot of toys. That's the point.
And what's this card?
Read it.
0, 8, 9, 3, 6, 1, 9.
Come, you have enough toys. Put it back. You have enough toys to go and go play with. Don't play with me. What part are you interested in, Paris? That's cool.
It's a green Spinosaurus.
Samaj, can you plug in the Christmas tree, please?
Why?
Because I need it.
For what?
We're doing Vlogmas. Okay, we're going to be vlogging every single day up until the 25th of December. Today is the 1st of December. So we are going to be doing Vlogmas. I have a few clips.
Mommy,
So we're...
tomorrow's the week of Christmas.
No, tomorrow is not Christmas. Tomorrow is December the 2nd. Today is December the 1st. We went to North Carolina yesterday. Samaj got his first pair of Nike. I'll show you guys that in a little bit. And we went to church today.
Our uncle came with us when we went to
North Carolina.
North Carolina. He said on the 15th of December
We're going to go back to
get
North
me
Carolina.
shoes.
Sounds good. So, this house is a mess. We're going to clean up all this. We just had dinner, cook, some fried chicken wings, baked mac and cheese, corn. No, I'm going to just clean up all of this. Let's get it.
Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there with no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You had